Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are here in becoder.com to learn Python. Okay, let's go to the 19th part of this playlist, and this video we want to talk about Python in the season 4. Let's go to sololearn.com. Please like this video, and if you don't saw the last or all videos, let's go and see all of our videos about Python. Okay, let's go courses and the Python for beginners course. I think the sololearn team was changed in courses part. Okay, in this season we want to talk about control flow in Python. Let's go and learn more about Python. This season is very important, and very important things in Python is in here, and we should start with this lesson about Boolean and comparison. Okay, Booleans, you're making great progress. Well done. You're definitely ready to meet another type in Python. So we've met strings, integers, and floats. Let's add booleans into the mix, shall we? Booleans can have two values, just true and false. So what are the two Boolean values in Python? Just true and false. We can create booleans by comparing values by using the equal operator like this. And here is a simple code. My boolean is true. Now print my boolean. We have true in the output. Print 2 equals 3. If we write this code, actually we have a boolean answer in this code. If when we write this, the Python compiler said that 2 isn't equal by 3, so the result of this code is false. And here we have print and said hello equals hello. Yes, it is true, so the output of this code is true. Be careful not to confuse assignments. One equal sign with comparison, two equal signs. So one equal signs with two equal signs are different. Filling the blanks to create a variable is online and assign a value true to it. So we just need to write is online here, and in this side of the single equals sign, and the true in other side of this equal sign. The Boolean data type has one of only two possible values, true and false. Note that the values must start with a capital letter. So a value of Boolean must start with a capital letter like this, true or false. Fill in the blanks to output the value of the open Boolean values. We have a variable in open name and it is false. So if we want to print open, we have false in the output. Comparison. Booleans are created when comparing values. Python has a number of comparison operators equals to, not equals to, so it is the sign of this, equals to, not equals to, greater than, smaller than, greater or smaller than, smaller or equal than, like this. We have said let's look at some examples. X is 7, okay? Print x isn't equal by 8, or is greater than 5, is smaller than 2, is greater or equal by 7, is smaller or equal by 7. So it is all of the signs in comparison in Python. Comparison operators are also called relational operators. What is the output of this code? Okay, Print 7 isn't equal to 8. Yes, it is true. Isn't equal. Greater than and smaller than operators can also be used to compare strings. Lexicography, the alphabetical order of words, is based on alphabetical order of their component letters, like this. Print A greater than B, yes, or print Bob greater than Dave. So how we should know that A is bigger than B or Bob is bigger than Dave? We have some actually decimal numbers in these strings that make a value of these strings, and the Python try to comparing these numbers of these strings together. So the strings uh, aren't important in Python, just that decimal numbers are important. What is the output of this code? Print hey smaller than hey. Okay, so it is false because the number of hey is bigger than hey. The true and false Boolean values can be represented as integer 1 and 0 respectively. For example, x is 7 bigger than 5. Okay, 7 bigger than 5 is true, so the x is true. If we want to print the x by an integer, we have 1 in output because 1 is a true sign. Let's try it. Yes, we have 1. Why? Because this statement in these parentheses are true, so the x is totally true. Now we want to print the x in an integer type. So the x is true, but the integer type is 1, so we have 1 in output as a result. It said note that we use the int function to convert a boolean to an integer. Which of the following represents the boolean value false? Now we know that true is 1, so the false is 0. We just have a 0 or 1 in a boolean types. Okay guys, this lesson complete and finished. We are going to continue in the next lesson, in the next video. Thank you for following us in this video. If you don't subscribe this channel, please follow us and like this video, comment your opinion. I will be happy to answer you. Okay guys, I'll see you in the link in the next video. Goodbye.